Yo guys, what is good? Justin or OVO update back again with another video, and today guys we're talking OVO Bear Brick. Let's see how it held up after 1 year of ownership. So with that being said, let's get straight into today's video. But before we bring out the Bear Brick, I'm bringing out this OVO t-shirt. I quickly just want to unbag it with you guys and put it on, let you know how it feels, let you know how it fits. So without further ado, man, let's just get straight into this t-shirt. If you guys watched the mystery box video, you know where this is from. First time actually bringing it out. Size large, center aisle t-shirt. My first impressions, again, the quality, super fire. It being made in Canada, you know it's gonna be that good stuff. Take a look at that collar line, guys. Awesome piece. So I'm gonna put this on, let you know how it feels, and let's get talking about the OVO Bear Brick. Alright guys, I'm back. T-shirt is on. Let me know what you guys think. I think it fits fire. The neckline, the sleeves, 100% cotton, cannot go wrong. So shout out to you know who. We rocking that OG Owl drip today. But quickly, again, I'm sorry for all the interruptions. Take a look at this, guys. Does this give you any sort of similarities? Free the Demons vibes straight up with this t-shirt, man. Straight up Free the Demons vibes. Imagine if they had this on the back of this t-shirt. That would be crazy. I'm sure that piece would sell out instantly. So that's enough of the OVO talk. Let's get into the Bear Brick. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the OVO 1000% Bear Brick. Now, this piece released just over 1 year ago. February 2019, the OVO Bear Brick released, and since then, the prices for the collection have gone up drastically. I'm talking $600 for the 400 set, and now $3,000 for this 1000. Crazy prices. Honestly, I cannot even believe it. I thought $600 was already more than enough for this piece, but $3,000 on StockX right now. As you guys can see from that photo, no one is playing around with this Bear Brick, man. The collectors want this piece, and I'm very lucky to have it. Looking back at it now, and what's crazy, man, I gotta tell you this story. That month, OVO was doing 20% off on their OVO website. I know me and my boys could have cooked, I want to say 5 or 6 of these at 20% off. That's like $500 for one of these. $3,000 now, guys, in 1 year. Crazy profit and investment. I super regret not picking up another one, as well as the 400 set. But wow, I never thought the Bear Brick would have done this well. I actually remember camping out for this release. We were there for around 24 hours at Yorkdale. You guys know we were top 3, that's how we do it. But there are only 10 of these at Yorkdale, and they had the most stock. So I think there's 3 at Square One, and even less at Vancouver and all the other stores. So after 1 year, guys, not much has changed with the Bear Brick, but there are a few things I do want to point out that I didn't in my original video. So I'm gonna get up close and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So if I raise this arm and show you guys at the camera, you guys could see on the arm sort of that black paint coming off. I don't know what it is, but it came like that from the factory, and the paint actually does not really stay on there that nice. Some people's actually have it even worse around the necklines. As you guys can see from the back, take a look at that. That is a big inconsistency with the paint job. That is not dust, or I didn't spill anything. It straight up came like that from the factory, and hundreds of others did as well. I know I am not the only one. Some people have it even worse, whereas on the arms and actually the body. So it is pretty unfortunate that OVO and Bear Brick, the quality wasn't that good on it. Guys, even look at this right here underneath the armpit. You can see that, right? When the light hits, crazy. So I wonder if you do decide to sell one of these on StockX and they do see that kind of mark on it, will it pass as dead stock? That's a great question. I think it will, just because more than half of these claim like that from the factory, but it is what it is. So if you guys do plan on buying one of these, definitely keep that in mind. Ask for photos of the bear brick to see how bad it is. If it's only around the arms or around the hand, it's not bad, but as soon as you get to touching the OG owl on the body, definitely would stay away from those bears. But hey guys, I just want to come on here quickly, give you guys a little update, talk about the OVO bear brick. Hopefully we see a part 2 in the future. An all gold one with the monogram would be crazy. So if OVO does that, man, that would be insane. Super fast sellout, especially knowing how well these ones did. Crazy. Imagine an all gold. Super sick. Definitely need the 1000 and the 400 if that comes to life. So let me know, guys, do you have anything from the OVO bear brick collaboration? Comment down below, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.